preacher, she was his wife, just trying to make the world a little better, you know, shine a light. People started talking just to hear their own voice. Those people try to accuse my father's aim.